As you can see, my client is already in the chair, so let's jump right into this tutorial. Today I'll be doing a clean skin fade. Welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another video. Before starting any haircut, the first thing you need to do is comb through your client's hair. This helps remove any tangles and makes it easier to work with your clipper guards later in the process to remove bulk. Now, to get a better idea of the hair's length, I'm going against the grain with a one guard. This ensures that my client is happy with the length before we proceed. I'm repeating the same process at the back, making sure everything is neat and even. Always remember to remove loose hair with a duster to maintain a clean working environment. Next, I like to cleanse the hair using a shampoo. This isn't a full wash. It helps keep the canvas clean before we start fading. Now, let's move on to the fading process. Since I'm doing a high skin fade, I'm setting my first guideline higher than usual. After that, I clean up the separation line, bringing it down to razor board. I repeat this process for all sections until they come together seamlessly. It's important to brush the hair regularly as you fade to ensure a smooth blend. Now, I'm using my slim design electric shaver to get the skin as close as possible to the scalp for a crisp finish. For my second guideline, I'm starting with the lever fully open, making sure it aligns with the first guideline. Next, I go halfway to take out the middle line, being careful not to push the fade too hard. Then, with the lever fully closed, I remove the last visible line. Of course, I will come back later for a final cleanup to refine the fade. The key here is patience. Slow and steady wins the race. When fading, I always start by identifying key points. For this hairstyle, here I'm clearing the top of the parental ridge, which helps separate the light and dark areas. I go over it multiple times to ensure an even transition. With the lever halfway closed, I soften the middle line, taking my time to get a seamless blend. Then I close the lever to ensure the transition is smooth and consistent throughout. Now I come in with a 116 guard, switching between halfway and fully closed to clean up any inconsistencies. To finish, apply some styling product and brush the head to prepare for the lineup. Guys, if you want a detailed tutorial on how to create a sharp lineup with no pushback, check out the link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if there is a specific haircut you do like to see next. That's all for today. I hope the tutorial was helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.